Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301646, and this is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and our color is black. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we got power locks, windows, mirrors, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes hands-free, cruise control settings and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our electronic and dual climate control, parking assist, advanced parking assist, lane keep assist, auto start stop, eco and sport modes, and traction control, automatic transmission, our four-wheel drive modes, hill descent control. Got our sunroof controls as well. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows. We've got a 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated. A couple USB ports for our rear passengers. And the seats can fold down for a little bit more cargo space. And onto our exterior, we've got a roof rack, 20-inch Jeep rims, got our rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, a rubber floor liner for the cargo space. There you have it, stock number 301646, guys. You've just checked out this black 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's just funny, they have it listed as silver. So silly, so silly. Thanks for watching, guys.